I am working on some senior pictures. This is actually my daughter, for her senior pictures, but I wanted to show you how I have my scroll to zoom is like glitching super bad. I don't know, it's just a Photoshop issue, but um, hopefully it doesn't do that while I'm recording. I wanted to show you uh, kind of how I fix um, okay. How I fix the lipstick line or line around the lips. And some portraits it's more noticeable than others. So like when you have this fit, it's like, it's not that noticeable, honestly, but um it's one of those things that I like to make perfect. Where are we at? Okay, we're at 1 minute. So let's see. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna duplicate this layer and then I'm gonna um go up to filter and I'm going to use the liquify filter. And I love this filter for a lot. Like, I don't like changing the shape of people's faces and bodies, but I like it for things like this. So I have the forward warp selected and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. That might work. So I have my density at 50 and my pressure at 30, and I don't know, this just seems to work for me, so try not to, so then we'll just click and work our way around. I have tried multiple, different techniques for fixing the lip line, and this one, it just seems to be working the best for me, so just to keep things natural. And when you're editing makeup, it's like, I don't know, it's a whole different skill, I feel like, because you're kind of like, you, when people put their makeup on, they want it to look a certain way. And so I'm trying to keep that look, I'm not trying to, I guess it's the same with any retouching. Um, I, I want it to look like I was never even there. Um, I, I was messaging my cousin about it the other day because he was like, you can fix some of this stuff in Photoshop. And I was like, yeah, I actually do Photoshop. I just, I'm like super ninja about it. And that's just how I like to retouch. But anyway, I'm just working my way around. No rhyme or reason, really. I just kind of go wherever my eye sees. And so I'm just kind of perfecting this line. I'm not making her lips a different shape. I'm not altering her features. Um, yeah, I think liquify is a really powerful tool. I love using it for fixing clothing as well, but um, for fixing lip, the line around the lips, oh man, it's been such a great revelation for me. So let's take that, check the preview, and then you can see where we started and like where we're at now, right? So it's just one of those things. It's a tiny, tiny detail that, I mean, like, this just took a few minutes. Had I not been talking, it probably would have only taken less than that. But yeah, you could even freeze the edge if you know, I don't think I need to do that here. Um, but if I'm doing like clothing retouching, that I use that phrase for that. So right here, you can see I may go in and I don't know. It's like my I gotta not obsess over little things like this. Sometimes I do, which is why it takes me so long to edit to retouch my photos. Um, but yeah, so okay. Another thing I'm gonna do while I'm here. Actually, no, I fixed this. I'm just gonna lift that up a little. Her bra strap was showing, and I use liquify a lot for clothing issues. This one, because it is out of focus and her bra is like so light colored, I'm not gonna worry about that too much. I just wanted to fix this line a little where it was like, causing a little bit of a indentation right there. Um, so these, yeah. See, I'm trying to keep my train of thought on the what I'm talking about here. Okay, so there. Now I'll just click OK, and you can see it didn't. It's just that very, very subtle correction. I am gonna go in with my clone stamp, and I have my flow all the way. I'm gonna turn my flow down a little, and then actually I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna fix that just a little. I think my eye is wanting to go there. I think it's because I know that's there. But anyway, so yeah, super handy. Just like a way to use liquify that um, maybe you hadn't thought of before. So thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful.